Eight beautiful species of partridges are found in India. Chestnut-breasted partridges are classified as a vulnerable species found in Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, in Darjeeling of West Bengal and in the northeast of India. Note their black and white necklace, dark rusty red head and chest. Their song is a far-carrying slow series of rising whistles. Chukar Partridge is a quail-like bird, often seen in small flocks on dry rocky slopes of Kashmir and western Himalayas. They are pale brownish-grey overall, with warmer orange belly and undertail, and have distinct black stripes on their sides. Note their red bill and eye ring. Pale throat is bordered by black. Male and female look similar. Males perch conspicuously, usually when singing. Hill partridge, also known as common hill partridge or necklaced hill partridge, is found in the western Himalayas and northeast India. Males are brightly colored and have intricate head pattern. They have a combination of an orange crown, black head and a streaked throat. Females lack the white chest band and brick red crown. Mountain bamboo partridge's body is brown with black spots and grey streaks all over. They are found in Arunachal Pradesh and northeast of India. Face is paler and have distinctive black and white eye stripes. Breast and abdomen is pale with brown speckles. They are usually seen in pairs. Males are comparatively larger than the females. Rufous-throated partridges are brightly colored birds with a bright orange throat, a bluish-grey chest, and orange and white spotting on the sides. Their beak is dusky brown or blackish, and the legs are pinkish. Females look similar to males but are duller and smaller. Male has a grey forehead and moustachial curves. Snow partridges are speckled and have finely barred grey and white stripes above, with dense rusty streaking on white underparts. They have a red bill and deep red legs. Both sexes look similar, but females lack the spur, while males have a blunt spur and sometimes they also have a second incipient spur. Tibetan Partridge is brownish overall with black and white face pattern and a bright orange neck. Males have a black belly patch which is barred in females. Lower plumage is pale buff, closely barred with black, and have broad chestnut bars on the flanks. White-cheeked partridge is a near-threatened species found in northwest India. Male has a black bill and dull orange to bright orange-red legs and feet. Females look similar to males but are paler with wider brown bars on the lower back and dull waxed legs and feet. They are appropriately named for their bright white cheek patch.